and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Cadence Hybrid Metallics and different ways to use them. So today I've just selected a variety of different colours, and I want to show you how we can paint with them, blend with them on different coloured surfaces, and how we can still get the same intensity of colour. So I'm just going to take a little bit of water onto a brush, and I'm going to start off using this lovely blue colour. So this is an ice blue. And we're going to paint it onto the black, and even though it is got like a darker background, we can still see that intense colour coming through. And then by adding just a little bit of water, we can fade off the intensity just a little bit, blend it through, and we can go into using the silver. And then we can change going into the brown. And you can see we've got that lovely metallic blend, and even on the white as well. So you can see, just as we're painting on here, even though the colour has been diluted, we've still got that lovely strong colour intensity. So I like to watercolour with these quite a lot because I still like the shimmer and the shine. However, I like how we can still get the flow from the paints. Take a little bit of the white. You can see, look how beautiful they blend, and when they catch the light, how much they do actually shine. So another technique is stenciling with them. So I'm just going to take a piece of white cardstock, using the Cadence stencil spray onto the back. And I'm going to be using the Wisteria stencil from the Secret Garden collection. So on a flat surface, just make sure it's all evenly pressed down. And I'm going to be using a stipple brush. So in a stippling motion, I'm going to start off with the green, taking a little bit onto my brush, and I'm going to do the leaves first, and then I'm going to blend it out so we can get a little bit of colour onto the flowers. So we can either use a brush, like a buffing motion, or a stippling motion. So a stippling motion gives a little bit more of an intense colour, whereas a buffing motion gives more of like a smoky sort of look and feel to it. So you can see, just as we can catch just a little bit, so that's buffing, so we're getting a smoky, a bit more paint. So by doing this, you're adding depth and texture, and especially like when you're doing foliage or leaves and flowers, this is a nice technique to use. And I like when we're stippling, how we can still see some of the background coming through. So I'm happy now that all the leaves are complete. I'm going to go into using a different colour. So I'm going to go into using this nice browny colour. So just as we're fading into the flowers, I just want to start off by using the brown. And then I'm going to go into using the blue. Just picked up another colour again, going into the silver. So you can see the stages in the colour, but when we pull off the stencil, because we have gave it a lot of different colours and depth and dimension, it's going to become really 3D, and that's how we can get like a little bit more movement into our work. So I just want to make sure that's all evenly blended up. Like I say, I'm going to leave a little bit of texture in it just so we can see the background coming through. Then when we remove the stencil, we've got a lovely textured stencil there with a shine and shimmer to it as well.